Alright, what's up everybody? This is Chakits Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, your Las Vegas realtor, bringing you another property tour. So today we are here in San Juan, California. We're going to be taking a look at this lovely farm home by Tow Brothers. This is the Driftwood, the modern farmhouse. Wow, take a look at this stone on the exterior here. Look at this veneer stone. Look at this garage door. Now, this home right here, you have an option for 4 to 5 bedroom, 3.5 bath, 2-car garage. It is 2,968 square feet. And it looks like the base price they're saying here, or the starting price, is $1,664,995. So let's go in and let's compare this price point for a home and what you can get in Vegas. So right here it looks like you have a keypad, which is really nice. And shut that door here. Let's take a look at this. Oh, look at that door. Ooh, so it looks like your living is on the first floor. Nice. Okay. Now I'm not too sure if I like this one or the Windward model, so we're gonna have to look at this in detail here. Alright, let's take a look, see what we got. Nice high ceilings for sure. You got 10 foot on here on the first floor. Love that fireplace. Love that stone here in the back. That TV. Wow, look at the casings around the window and look at the depth on it. It's like a 6-inch. So you can tell like these 3-story homes are built with 2x6, not 2x4s. Okay. Got the floating staircase. Now let's come over here. Here's your garage. Should take that golf cart, drive it all the way back to Vegas. Baby, drive it on the Interstate 5. Now look at the tile in here. I love the tile work. Kind of gives you that industrial concrete flooring type. These look like 18 by 36 on here, so it's a pretty decent size. Love that orange peel texture. You have a 2.5 inch or a 3 inch on the casings, and I love this backsplash of this half bath. Undermounted sinks, or undermounted sink. Okay. Let's take a look here. Let's take a look at this island. Ooh, love this quartz. And you got this beautiful front apron, undermounted sink. Now I've seen that on some of their luxury models. That's really nice. So this one right here, we have, what is this, granite or quartz? Oh, so this one, oh, this is actually quartz. Now this is kind of a little bit narrow. This is probably like only, yeah, I would say about 36 inch. But here's the thing. Why didn't they do a cook countertop on here versus just putting a stove? Right? I would have just did a cook countertop. Got the cabinets all the way to the top, which is really nice. And look at this. It's not even 2 separate pieces right here. It's just like one piece with this whole sleeve. Now that's a upgrade. Now when you guys do the double stack, make sure to get that sleeve all the way down here and also on this side. Some builders are going to give you that option. Take that option. It's very streamlined. Let me come back over here. Let's take a look at this. Look at this backsplash. This whole wall has a full backsplash, and I love how they case the window frames right over that backsplash. It's gorgeous. I was going to say they should have put some lights in there, which is they did, but it looks like it's not turned on. The other thing is, look at this right here. Love this. Okay, this cornering here. Let's open this thing up. Let's come on outside. You have a little patio cover. And you got a little fire pit right here. That's cool. Right? Let's take a look at the back. A lot of you guys are starting to like that farm style. That modern farm style. I don't know if I'm into that, but now if I lived in the country and I drove a tractor, then I would definitely do it. Wow, look at these air conditioning units. Interesting. Look at the stucco work on here. Alright, let's go over here. Let's see what we got. Got the little grill area. Wow, you could just tell the sun just like literally just beats on this side. Now, one of the concerns that I would have is that you have all this irrigation running here, right? But then, what about on this side of the wall? You'll create spalding, and are you going to be responsible for it? Now, I do love the fact that with this vinyl slider, on this side is a brown color, but on the other side is white, which is really nice. See? I told you. Now, my last video, I was talking about like how much of the monthly payment for something like this around this price point, right? So, let me just show you on the calculations again. Wow, I love this floating staircase. So this is with putting down 25% on a jumbo loan. That's 1.75 million, right? And payments are about $7,344. Woo! Now you guys can get that mortgage calculation app anywhere. I mean, there's so many apps out there. Looks like we have 10-foot ceilings here. Or 9-foot ceilings, actually. Oh, we got another balcony out here. It's a little bit narrow. I mean, it's good enough. Man, they're just building like crazy over here. And I noticed here, you get rain gutters. Vegas, you don't really get rain gutters because it doesn't rain that often. We just got the fireplace to simplify. This one's a master bath. You got 24 by 24 on the tile. Got the tub. Decent sized walk-in shower. Undermounted sink again. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. It is a little bit bright. Got your water closet. Then coming into your closet. Okay, it's not bad. Pretty decent. Yeah. Okay. See if I can get this shower here. Wow, I love the design of this tile. Look at this. Almost like the herringbone pattern. And after that, he stops here about 36 inches. Then look at this. You have a nice 24 by 48. And that pretty much goes all the way around. Gives you that spa-like. Let's come down this way. So what is this? Some storage? Linen closet. Here's your laundry room. You know, all this is an upgrade. That's an upgrade. Got the sink. Here's your air conditioning unit. Alright. Space to do some work. We got a couple more rooms here. Oh, this is definitely more like a little beachy type of room. Oh, yes. Nice, nice. Bathroom? Little tight and cramped here, but I can't believe how much expensive this is. It's like, and it's like, are a lot of these people in California making this kind of money? Like, I think, what was the medium household income in California? I'm curious to find out. Let's find out what is going on. Siri, medium average household income in California. Come on, talk to me. Let's go up to this third floor. Siri, what is the average household income in California? Well, oh wow, look at this.
One more moment.
One more moment. Hurry up. Oh, look at this. Now that is gorgeous.
Something went wrong. Please try again.
Average household income in California. Ooh. Wow. Look at that. Average household income in California. Look at that, just playing pool. Ooh. Now, this is my second favorite thing of this home. I've seen a lot of builders are starting to do this now. Look at these transitions on the tile. Look at this. Oh my God, that is just like, I didn't even notice that until now. This is just gorgeous. Look at that. All right. What else we got over here? Let's come down this way. What is the average household income in California? Go, let's see. Vegas is 51,000. Nice shower, okay. Kind of a little plain Jane on here, but it's clean, so I do like that. This room is kind of a little standard. Wow, so it says that our population here in California is about 38 million. The per capita is 32,000. The median household income is 66,000. And it says the median family income is 77,000. I thought it was more. I thought it was like 100 something. Wow, take a look at these beautiful chandeliers. Oh man, if you have kids, this is kind of scary though. Ooh. And this is a floating staircase. Just the engineering on this alone, man. You know how like they got to reinforce this house, especially with this iron single stem. Look at that. That is just, that's gorgeous. I love that. I don't know. Let me know in the comments below if you guys are from California. How does somebody afford like a $1.7 million home? Like, I mean, that's just like so expensive. Unless my calculations are not right. I mean, let's take a look at it again with this mortgage calculator. Just want to make sure I'm right here. Guys, if you guys have not had a chance to subscribe to this channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it. Yeah, it looks like it's $7,300 a month. 25% down at 1.75 million at 3.375%. Other than that, hey guys, I want you guys to have a blessed day. All right, I really mean this from the bottom of my heart. Work hard, get what you deserve. Life is short. Have a blessed day.